Yeah.
Hi, this is Bruce, New America Construction. This is the garage of the home, and same thing here. We're going to remove all of the existing siding. The garage is already insulated.
Some type of architectural art like this. See, so much can be done with vinyl siding. You just need the right.
Like I said, because we were able to level off the house.
Here we are with the installation of vinyl cedar shake siding. As you notice, everything has to be.
I think this is the way we trimmed out the window here. You want to install the starter strip or nailing, placing the nails about every 16 inches, centered on the slot to make sure.
I'm here with Andy and Mary Beth Thompson in Glen Rock, New Jersey. We just finished installing All Sides Prodigy siding. And guys, what can you say about the installation? How do you like New America Construction service?